Boom, baby. Welcome to the Money Mike Show, aka the Spy Lord. If you are looking for excitement, you're looking for some help with your trading journey, come join me right here on this channel. What a day we had today. This thing was it's been parabolic today. The moves have been great. Sort of easy for us to spot this morning, but it still takes heart, it still takes guts to hold these plays and to really develop a plan and develop a routine every day. And that's what we're going to help you with on this channel, learning the technicals and giving you the education that you need. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for me if you haven't already. We're going to hop into the charts here in just a moment. Just want to say thank you again for stopping by, checking out the video, and yeah, glad to have you. Okay, so we got CPI data today. That's sort of why the market has reacted the way it's reacted to this data. Headline: U.S. inflation come in 3% year over year in September, a little bit lower than expected at 3.1. Month over month, prices rose 0.3. Core inflation held at 3% year over year, still above Federal Reserve's 2% target, but it was mild, as a mild relief compared to expectations. Inflation remains elevated, but came in a little bit softer than everybody was, I guess, anticipating or feared. So in short, things have popped today. We're getting some volume to step back into these markets, whereas we have had a cool off and things have been very elevated. But this is playing to our advantage today. All of us bulls, I guess, that want to see things go up all the time. Don't be bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, or hogs get slaughtered, however the old saying goes, right? I'm going to step onto the charts here for a few minutes with you. I've got two really good picks for you going into the coming weeks. These have the look that I'm looking for. They've got some stuff, some technicals behind them that I enjoy. Here is Amazon. It's going to be our first one. We're going to hop onto the Amazon chart. I'm going to take you to a daily chart. On a daily chart, if you're brand new to charting, it's okay. Each one of these candles represent a day. Okay, and this is a 1 day chart, daily chart. I'm actually just going to take all my drawings off here and start over with you. Okay, so this is what we call a bullish descending channel here. If I can get this, this is pretty close right here. I'm not the best at these, but you don't have to be the best at them when you start recognizing them every day, day after day. When you spend time on these charts, you're going to start learning them. And if you want to, you can hit the description of the video, and that top link says support me here. That is a link over to the Stocks with Josh community, where we teach how to chart, how to trade. We live day trade 5 days a week. You could be with me 5 days a week learning to live day trade. Could have got some of the winners that we got this morning. I think some of the people got over 200% in Google today that I called out before the market opened. So it ended up being an awesome day for day trading. Okay. On the horizon, I have got Amazon on my radar, and I want you to have it on your radar. Okay. We want to close over 224, and we are pushing it right now. The market's still open while I'm shooting this video. Okay, anything can happen. Trump can come out and say something crazy, or anything could happen. World events, whatever. Right now, it's starting to look strong. It's starting to rise out of this descending channel, which is a bullish. This is actually a bullish structure. Here's the 1 day. What we want is this little tool down here called the RSI. We want this to continue over 50. right? We've already passed that point. We came and tested this bottom level here. I really love the 40 level. So we tested it, regained it, and we back tested this little yellow signal line here, right? And we didn't lose it. Now we've went up to 50. The next stop on this chart, and the next thing I'm looking for, is can this RSI push over 60? And if we can get over 60, we're going to start breaking some resistances. And this 228 area is going to be the first spot I'm looking at to break. I'm going to run this little volume profile for you. And this is sort of where this next shelf of volume begins. If we stretch this on over. And that was our previous highs back here. So 228 is the next stop for me if we can close over 224. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not meant for you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm not suggesting that you do it. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, okay? Just telling you what I'm doing. I'm giving you some technicals and some levels to go off of. Go check this yourself. If you need help learning how to chart this stuff, hit that link in the description, and I'm going to bring you into this community, and we're going to show you how to navigate these markets and how to read these charts. So I would really like to clear 224 and start closing candles over it for us to start moving up another leg, okay? 222 you could use as some support, and then under that I like 218, the 218 level down here, okay? If you wanted to be tighter, you could say 219.50, but the 218 level is some pretty good support also. I'm playing this out a little longer. I'm not just looking to scalp this or for a quick move. I'm looking for this to go. So I'm going to give you a couple other targets that I see up here. First one is at 231.50. That would be another target to the upside that we want to get over. Okay. And then back to these all-time highs would be really nice, right? So if we can get over, really, we're starting to get over the hump. Things become easier. You see how volume becomes smaller on the way up here. There's less things to stop us, less to get in the way, less resistance. I look at price action like water. And water follows the path of least resistance, right? So once we get over volume and structure, we can start following less resistance on the way up. That's how Amazon is right now. Other indicators, this MACD, I want to see it get back up here to this little white line called the 0 line. That's a buy signal. And for this RSI to move through 60. That's the two things I'm looking for. So if you're a technical person, mark those on your charts. Get ready. I like the look of Amazon. It's got a good form to it. It's got a good pattern to it. You know, some people are pattern traders. They look for wedges and channels and triangles and squares and things. So this is a descending channel that is actually bullish, okay? All right, so there is Amazon. There's your first one. The other one is Mr. Google, which we day traded today in the live and killed it. All right, here's the Google chart, right? I actually covered this a week or so ago, week and a half ago, and we had a massive flush on the Friday back there, right? Google was the first thing to recover the following day on that Monday, showing some strength. Ever since then, we have been on a rocket. We also had the same form. That's why I wanted to bring Amazon to you. You see this same channel that Google gave us, this descending bullish channel. Stocks typically break to the upside coming out of this pattern, right? So Google rose up out of this pattern, back tested it once here on this red candle, and now we have cleared previous all-time highs, right? So this is very bullish to me at the moment. When I look at the RSI and the MACD measurements here, the MACD is still in bullish hands, and we're getting another cross up on the MACD. So keep your eye on Google. I would really like to watch this 256 level, maybe get back tested once, but this is my level here to stop at. For this move to continue, I really want Google to stay over 256, and then you could get a move back to this 251. It's possible. I'm going to mark it here, and that would be the other support under this 256. I don't want to see these break, but it's not looking like it. Looks like it's wanting to break out again. I will look at the 2-day chart. Look at that, even more bullish. Let's get the weekly chart. Look at that. Absolutely just it's good. It's good, right? So there's two really good picks for you going in to the coming weeks. Keep those on your radar. If you let's say you're brand new to these markets, you don't know what's going on, I would really love to help you out. Come over and join us in the Discord. We do this every day. We're teaching, we're guiding, we're live trading with you. We got value in there for everybody. If you're brand new, if you've been there for a while, if you've been trading for a long time, we've got value for you. We've got crypto, we've got long term, we've got swings, we've got day trading, we've got everything you're looking for is in that Discord. And it is a great atmosphere. Josh has made sure that it's called the Stocks with Josh Discord. It is the top link in the description, my friends. There's also an email in the description of this video. I do one-on-one coaching. I do small group coaching. If you're interested in that, feel free to leave me an email. Give me a few days. I will return it. I've got a Saturday morning class actually tomorrow. So if you get interested, please reach out by email. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I love you. I appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by the Money Mike channel. Come see us in the Discord. All right. Peace. Y'all have a great day.